Welcome to PreMath. In this video, I am going to show you how to multiply these given humongous numbers. 4 power 123 times 625 power 60, and make sure that we are going to give our answer in terms of scientific notation. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. So before we go any further, let's talk about scientific notation. This is represented by C times 10 power B, where this C is our coefficient and C must be greater than or equal to 1 and must be less than 10, and make sure that this base must be 10 all the time. And now let's focus on this part of our numbers, 4 power 123. And here's our number, and let's go ahead and tweak its exponent. And this number could be written as 4 power 3 plus 120. And now let's recall this product rule of exponents. According to this rule, I can write this one as 4 power 3 times 4 power 120. And now we know that 4 power 3 is simply 64, and then times 4 power 120. So therefore I'm going to replace this number by this simplified form. So let's go ahead and replace that one. 64 times 4 power 120. And now let's focus this number, and here I have copied it down. And now we can see that this base 625 could be written as 25 square. So therefore this number could be written as 25 square and then whole power 60. And now let's recall this power rule of exponents. So this way we can multiply out these exponents. So this could be written as 25 power 120. So therefore I'm going to replace this number by this one, which is 25 power 120. And now let's focus on this part only in this window. And we are going to apply this rule of exponents. So this could be written as 4 times 25 power 120. And we are going to leave this 64 outside as well. And now in this next step, 4 times 25 is simply 100. And this 100 could be written as 10 power 2. And now we are going to use the power rule once again. We're going to multiply these two exponents. So therefore this becomes 10 power 2 times 120 becomes 240. And now let's focus on this 64. I'm going to make it less than 10. So I can make like 6.4 times 10, that is equal to 64. Therefore, I can write this thing 6.4 times 10 power 1 times, I'm going to write down this thing, 10 power 240. And now let's apply the product rule on this one. We're going to add their exponents. And this has become 10 power 241 when we added these two exponents. And this is our answer in the scientific notation. As you can see the format. So thus our answer turns out to be 6.4 times 10 power 241. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.